Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to post in Reddit. So for this what you need to do is go to the browser from the start option, then you have to go to the Reddit option, then you have to log into your own profile. Then in the search at Reddit option, for example, I would like to search for the Thailand, and after that you have to click on enter. Then it will take a couple of seconds according to your internet speed. After that you have to click on the communities here, and here you can see there are so many communities. For example, in the first community the member is 879k. So if you click on it, then you have to wait a couple of seconds again according to your internet speed, and here you have to click on the create a post, and after that it will take a couple of seconds. And here give a title, for example the vacation. Let's say I would suggest the vacation here. Then you can write here, I am going to stay for 30 days in Thailand. Any recommendation? And then you have to simply click on the post, or whatever you want you can write here in the post option. Then you have to click on the post. After that here you can see that add flair and text. So here in some reasons, if your post is must have to, in some communities there are rules that you have to must add your flair or text. So for example, I would like to add this to serious, then you have to click on add, then you have to click on post. After that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded according to your internet speed, and then it will simply get posted. But for many reasons the moderators need some approval. In some communities here you can see that the moderators need approval. And after that, if you click on your profile, and then here you can see the post karma is to 1. Here you can see the post is awaiting moderator approval. That means the moderator need to approve this, and after that your post will get posted in the community. And the more you post, the more the post karma will increase accordingly. And if you have more increased post karma, then it will make you more eligible to join any community in Reddit. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.